activity, please take a paper like this and we are going to write numbers from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Es muy importante dejar espacio entre los números. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In your paper. In number one, you write above. Vamos a escribir en el número 1, above. In number 2, you're going to write behind. Detrás de, behind. Behind. In number 3, you're going to write below. Below. Number 4, you're going to write in front of. In front of. Number 5, you're going to write on the right. A la derecha. On the right. And in number 6, you're going to write on the left. On the left. A la izquierda. Above, behind, below, in front of, on the right, on the left. Like this, in the paper. Now, in front of the words, al frente de las palabras, vamos a hacer unos dibujos. Es importante también dejar espacio en los dibujos. You make the drawings. This is a box and an apple. Box, apple. Box, apple. Where is the apple? ¿En dónde está la manzana? Where is the apple? Al frente de la caja. In front of the box. So we join in front with this drawing. The apple is in front of the box. We make the next drawing. This is the box and the apple is here. Here is the apple. Where is the apple? ¿En dónde está la manzana? Where is the apple? Where is the apple? On the right. So we join this with on the right. Then we do the next drawing. The next drawing. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? Detrás de la caja. Behind the box. The apple is behind the box. Detrás de la caja. Now the next drawing. Where is the apple? On the left. The apple is on the left. The next drawing. Where is the apple? Above the box. The apple is above the box. The apple is above the box. The apple is above the box. And the last row, where is the apple? Below the box. The apple is below the box. So what you have to do is to match words with the drawing. Vamos a unir las palabras con la imagen. For example, the apple is in front of the box. Number 2, where is the apple? Where is the apple? ¿En dónde está la manzana? On the right. On the right. The apple is on the right. The apple is on the right of the box. Number 3. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? Behind. Behind. Detrás de. Behind the box. The apple is behind the box. Number 4. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? On the left. On the left. The apple is on the left. The apple is on the left of the box. Number 5. Where is the apple? Above the box. The apple is above the box. The apple is above the box. And the last one, la última. Where is the apple? Below. Below the box. The apple is below the box. And that is the activity. You join the words with the drawing. Above, behind, below, in front of, on the right, on the left. And that's it.